So I was gonna start the video and somebody just pulled up in my yard and asked me, he says, I drove by the other day, I saw a black Chevy Grand National. Was that yours? Why? Even this day and age, people can't understand that the Grand National was Buick. Yes, Buick did make a great muscle car. Anyway, how is everyone doing? Welcome to the channel. If you're joining for the very first time, please consider going ahead and hitting that subscribe button and join me as I share everything in my life and my love and passion for cars. But anyhow, today we gotta replace the battery in the Firehawk because right now it's kind of stuck, blocking my way in and out of the house here, and I can't get any of my other cars out if I choose to, even my Chevy Grand National. So let's get this battery out and get it replaced. And I forgot my sockets. Awesome. These are always so much fun. I don't know why they gotta be buried so deep. I think they could figure out a better way to do this. There we go. I had something else I had to replace on this. It was the battery tray. I forgot about that because they used to get their oil changed at Walmart, and I think they probably broke it because it was actually a Walmart battery. That was right. I don't think we're doing this one-handed. Maybe. Oh God, for a second. And we got some oil right here to take too. They had these shopping carts in here. Let me grab one for all of this stuff. Yeah, like a little shopping cart. No, I got a battery.
Oh, I got
4 jugs of oil.
Okay, give me a second. I got a card.
Very trusting of them to let me take this cart with all that merchandise on there, but I was wrong. This one doesn't have the shopping cart. So this will work just fine. This is how you get rid of your used oil.
For a 2012 Mazda 6.
$162.
You could probably pick a brand and take it off of me on sale.
It's a little. you have it. It's not that hard to be responsible about disposing of your oil. Just let you walk back in there. They don't say anything at all. Yeah. It's alive. Yes, when I bought this car too, it did have a strut tower brace, this big yellow thing. I didn't like it, so I took that off as well. Now we just need to find what I did with the bolt. Ah. There we go. Oh, this is so tight. With the key in it. Phew. Carmen! Carmen! Oh, my puppy. What's up, girl? I got to keep checking her leg, make sure the cancer doesn't come back. Yeah, we do. Yeah. You're so goofy. You're goofy. Alright, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got here. Oh, look, we got voltage. Beautiful. Goodbye, car capsule. Thank you for the years of protection. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna have to buy another one. Throw that one out. Kind of sucks, but did its job protecting my car from damage. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the battery fiasco here with the Trans Am. Honestly, this wasn't going to be its own video. I was working on the vlog, and by the time I got done with just the Trans Am stuff, and even though I cut out a whole lot of stuff, I still at like 8 minutes of video, so I'm just going to go ahead and wrap it up and just make this its own video. I still have a ton of stuff here for next week's vlog that I haven't even begun to touch. That's going to be way too much stuff, and this is going to be probably like a 20-something minute long video if I keep adding all that stuff. So I'm going to keep that stuff for next week's vlog. I promise you it's going to be real interesting, man. We're all over the place with this one, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and we will see you next week for the vlog.